Hello friends, it's Brandy with Hip Kit Club, and today I am working on a mixed media layout using the May kits. I'm also using this May cut file called Leafy Wreath, and I grabbed the shimmers paints from the color kit to color this wreath, to paint the wreath with. I'm using Shimmer's Sunny for the berries and Shimmer's Jilted Jade for all of the leaves. I wanted the color to be really bright and vibrant and show all of that shimmery goodness, so I chose not to dilute the color at all. It's a little difficult to see all of that shimmer that's on it, but it's really gorgeous. I grabbed a piece of cardstock from the cardstock kit, and the name of the color is called Pure, and I wanted to cover the whole thing in gesso and get a really good thick layer because I'm going to be doing a lot of mixed media on this page. Once I finished smoothing this out, I took it to my blow dryer so I could dry it because I am super impatient. I wanted my wreath to be on the left side of the page, so I just marked where I'm going to cut it off, and now I'm marking where I need to place my mixed media so I know I get it directly behind my wreath. I really wanted an orange color to be the color that I put down on the page, so I just mixed the shimmers in Sunny with the colorings in pink stilettos, and I come out with this gorgeous sunny orange color. It's going to look a little yellower once everything comes up, but it is such a pretty color and it's so incredibly shimmery. So if you guys haven't tried Hip Kit Club yet, I would like to encourage you to give them a shot. You don't have to subscribe to make a purchase, but if you do, you save money on your main kit, on add-on kits, on shipping, and you get a ton of free cut files every month. These kits are crammed full of high quality, exclusive products that I know you're going to fall in love with. Okay, my mixed media is all done and I want to do some stamping, but before I do that, I need to glue down just the ends of this wreath so that I can flip it up and know exactly where I want my stamping to be placed. I pulled out the circle stamps from this month's color kit stamps, and it looks a little reminiscent of stamping with bubble wrap. I love it, and this is such an excellent stamp addition to my stash. And because I have so much mixed media and gesso on the background, I decided to use the StazOn ink because that stuff just adheres to anything and it takes it a split second to dry and it's not going to smear. So it was just the best choice for this project. And I decided to do second generation stamping because I wanted it to be just a little bit duller, I guess, than it would be if it were first generation stamping. But this stamp right here is from the Pocket Life kit, and this little flower stamp was such a perfect little stamp to add to this wreath, to the background of it. And I did do first generation on that one. Now I used the die from the May die set, and this is like a brick wall type look. I I guess I don't really know what it is. I can't remember the name of it right now, currently, but it's so perfect. It's great for these grungy looking layouts like this. I love it. I already have my photos glued together in the position that I want them, and I'm just adding some pop dots to the back of them. I only stuck down the center ones because I know I'm going to be tucking some things behind the edges there. And now I grabbed these foam title pieces from the May kits, and this Hello Weekend was a great title choice because of the subject of my layout. So we got to take the kids to a science museum, a dinosaur museum, and they had a blast. So they were loving this way. It was actually just a small part of a whole lot going on that particular weekend, and they were so excited to get that weekend started. So you've been watching me tuck in some of the vellum flowers that come in the kit, and now I'm just going to take that piece that I cut off of the wreath and kind of separate some of these leaves so I can fill it out just a little bit more. I really didn't want to lose all of this stuff that I had worked on, and I wouldn't have done anything else with it. So just kind of bulking up the wreath a little bit was a really good solution. Now I want to bring in some little bits. These acrylic flower pieces are so cute. Just adding a few. I think I picked 6 of them out and just kind of tucked them in around the wreath a little bit. My layout's gotten pretty busy at this point, but you're going to see me bring in a few more bits and pieces from the kit just to kind of finish it off. And then that's going to be it. I'm all done with this one. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. Thank you so much for joining me. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again, guys. I hope you have a lovely, crafty day. Bye-bye.